Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so Face ID can be used across apps. First, update your iPhone and confirm the true depth camera functions. If it's blocked, clean it. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Face ID and passcode, and enable iPhone Unlock plus iTunes and App Store. This gives apps the system-level permission they need. Next, launch the target apps and immediately look for an in-app toggle for Face ID or biometric unlock. Enable it now so the app registers the system permission. Now you configure the more detailed connections between System Face ID and individual apps. Open each app's privacy or security menu and turn on Face ID or biometric unlock. Apps will prompt to grant permission once you toggle the option. If an app lacks direct Face ID support, set up a password manager such as 1Password or LastPass and enable its Face ID unlock to cover those gaps. Also enable Settings, right arrow passwords, right arrow autofill passwords so Face ID can authenticate. To finish, test every app. Close it, reopen, and perform an action that should trigger Face ID so you confirm the flow. If an app still prompts for a password, make sure the app has permission in Settings and that autofill is active. If Face ID repeatedly fails, reset Face ID and re-enroll your face. Check for obstructions, sunglasses, or poor lighting. Finally, if permissions won't stick, reinstall the app or contact the app's support. They often need to refresh their biometric integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.